You got a Gengar too?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
On the beach. Whatever. Mine is yours.
That's mine, yours.
Yes.
If it's a Zard, it's mine.
You guys gonna open them here?
Yeah, we're going over right now, bro.
Okay, let's go.
We got everything ready. We got a ripping station and everything.
Part of the hobby, right?
Yes, sir. Zardy. Feel it. First pack magic. Kagamaru, Ombre, Piplup, Lodaculo, Ramblingaz, Torch, Crocodile. Oh! Oh, Mega Heracross. You want it?
Yes, please.
That's yours.
You have it.
That's yours, yeah.
You have it. Yes,
Yeah.
you have it.
Oh, we got another one too, so you have the other one. Yeah, yeah. We want a Charizard. Yeah.
Oh God, thank you guys so much.
Yeah, no, you're welcome.
A few moments later.
Yeah!